Okay, so back to the listing on 3025 Bird Rock off of 17 Mile Drive. This is the inside of the kitchen area, sort of a breakfast nook. We have French doors into a wonderful family room, entertainment area, tons of storage. You can see that you could easily have a nice large TV here for entertaining, fireplace. There are 3 fireplaces in this home, 2 master bedrooms, 1 downstairs, 1 up, and there is a wine cellar, which is beautiful. We're going to go see that now. So entering into where the wine cellar is, which is off on the main floor, you'll see that there's many built-ins, beautiful floors. Definitely gives you the feel and ambiance of a wine cellar. So off of the kitchen is a master bedroom, a guest bedroom, and 2 bathrooms are down here. This home is listed for $1.499. Many features throughout. This is the guest bedroom that I'm walking towards. Beautiful doors, hardwood doors, or they're very solid. You can see that the closets have been set up with internal organization. And now I'm going to walk out towards the second master on the main floor. It is tiled throughout, which is a great feature. We do get nice warm weather here, so it's nice for keeping it cool. Beautiful double door closet. And you have French doors out to the patio in the backyard. We also have a master bath off of this one, an ensuite. The ensuite bath has a beautiful tiled stone built-in shower. Nice cabinetry and stone throughout. I'm continuing the video. Off of the entryway, you'll see a lovely staircase, beautiful metalwork, and going up the stairs, you'll see that it's very open, almost kind of a Mediterranean style. Nice high vaulted ceilings. And then this does look down into the game room, or sort of entertaining living room. And then we have, this is the 4th bedroom. It does, however, have a smaller closet and is really set up wonderfully for a built-in office. Nice natural light as well. Across the hall, but at the top of the stairs, you'll see the open walkway to the master. The master has 2 separate areas to it. The first area we're walking into would be maybe a great area for a desk and or a sitting area. And then you have these beautiful windows and, again, nice built-in large closet. This is the ensuite master bath. The stonework is wonderful up here as well. Nice countertops and a beautiful shower with built-in jets as well. This house has a lot of storage. As you can see, there's built-ins almost in every room, which is really wonderful. It makes it very easy to move into. This is more of the bedroom area of the master bedroom. Great natural light a vaulted ceiling with open beams, a deck off of the front, which is lovely, more closets, and this would be our third fireplace.